Good morning, scientists. This is Mr. Overholt with the Winston-Salem Forsyth County School Science Department. Let's go look at the skies and see what they're telling us. Some cirrus clouds straight center of that screen. Otherwise, there's a lot of blue sky out there. It's a beautiful morning. I think our clouds have increased a little bit since I took this a while ago, but it is still a beautiful morning. Looking at our weather data, thanks to WeatherLink at Moore Magnet Elementary School in the heart of Winston-Salem Forsyth County Schools. Conditions are at 8:02 this morning, 72 degrees Fahrenheit. We've increased a little bit since my journal entry. Uh, our no winds measuring out there. Light winds are out there. It's not much happening. 91% humidity. Um, that's decreasing as the morning goes on because it was 98, something like that this morning. I first looked at it. So this is a good sign for us to have those clearing skies out there. No precipitation today at this point. And our barometer, our air pressure is sitting 30 and 307 inch of mercury. It says it's rising slowly. It has not moved in the last hour. Looking at the journal, we see that we have it's 6 degrees warmer out there. And winds are in the same direction. Um, we are drier out there, partly cloudy versus rainy, completely cloudy yesterday, as we had yesterday. Um, the cirrus clouds out there, I thought was a nice touch. I like seeing those. It's not we see a lot of stratus. We see a lot of stratus out there or none. We don't have anything much of anything else in there. So that's what I saw this morning. And it's warm and calm. As we look at this, we see a bunch of scattered showers around in North Carolina and even the southeast. Um, we're going to see some of this happening, but I think it's not going to be as bad as we once thought it was. I know yesterday was not as bad as yesterday turned out to be nice in the afternoon. A couple little showers, but nothing serious. This is looking like it's going to be a nice day. Light showers here on and off maybe. But I see this. Yesterday there was just one cold front. Now there's a second one. So there's a cold front followed by a cold front with some rain in the middle. Um, one cold front is probably gonna come through tomorrow. We'll check our temperatures on that one, and then another one on Sunday, and that leaves us with this cold air mass behind it. Um, but as I do think we're supposed to have some showers today, some tomorrow, but Sunday should be cleared out. So that kind of timeline as I look at this map, I see a lot of H's back here. And then you got your fruit salad of a little bit of everything back here from occluded to stationary to warm fronts and cold fronts and highs and low pressures and troughs and valleys. A little bit of everything back in there. I think the mountains will do that to the weather though. Let's check in on the windy map. It said, let me refresh my screen here. Looking at it earlier, and it said 97% humidity for where we are. And it's still saying that it's that humid. Um, Looking at our pressure, I'm just kind of curious what the pressure is going to do throughout the day. They're saying it is 30.09. We're not quite on our location. Let's zero in a little bit more. And let's drop it up here on our left side of this bubble that we have next to Greensboro. That's us in Winston-Salem. All right, so we're at about the same. Um, as our pressure goes through the day, it says it's rising slowly. I thought it was going to decrease. We're gonna have a better chance of getting some showers. This is dropping. Looks like between 4 or 5 o'clock is about the time when it's going to get to be its worst pressure wise. I'll bet you when that happens, we have rain. Let's see what the North America model is saying about that today. They've got a bunch of severe looking stuff out there. But it is lighter and goes through the day. But I think we're going to be all right for the day. I'm looking at noon right now. Big plans at noon. Big plans at noon. Wanted to be outside. Look at my cloud cover. 86% cloud cover. Let's see how much they're thinking up there. They're saying it's 90% and 99% cloud cover right now. What does the old GFS have to say? Much less. That's closer to where we are right now. All right, so temperature-wise, we said we're going to look at that one. Let's hit temperatures and zoom out and see where our cold fronts are. Wrong direction. All right, so here our first cold front was right through here. So close in latitude, about 7 to 10 degrees less. And then behind that one, that's further north, of course, but it is 20 degrees less than it is here. So watching the cold fronts that will be coming through, we're going to keep our eye now. Look at pressure. I just want to see if that big old high pressure, look at that thing, actually has moved closer to us because it was further off. It has separated though. Let's zoom out again from the big one that was there. This is the high pressure that's coming behind where we are right now. So this is that cold high pressure is going to be coming in. I think that's going to give us a nice week. Next week's my hope. So we're going to keep our eyes on some of this as the weekend goes on. Let's check our rain for today. And we'll zoom in here because the North America model, they don't show you the North America part of it. We want rain and thunder here, and they're saying that rain accumulations at our location is 1/10 of an inch in the next 12 hours, like our 100th of an inch, sorry, even less. Next day, 48 hours, not much. We're not going to get a whole lot here, according to the North American. Our GFS is saying 1/10 of an inch. Next 24 hours, 3/10, and 4/10 in the next 3 days. So nothing severe, nothing heavy, just some light stuff that's happening. I think we're going to be all right. It's going to be an all right day, all right weekend. A little bit of rain here and there. Enjoy it. Have some fun. I know I will. And stay healthy. And have a great one. Don't forget, we do science well.